Hi, I'm Rawan. I'm from Gaza, and today I will show you how winter looks like in Gaza, how heavy rains, as you can see, cold winds, that making an already unbearable situation even more difficult for families, especially for children. Tents are flooded and children are sleeping in wet and cold clothes. I'm here with Nasreen, and she also again explained to me her very difficult situation living in a tent.
اصعب حاجه انك تلاقي الميه وانك انت قليله حيله مش عارفه تدبر امورك، بس انه يكون دار لاولادك كلهم تسوى شتويه، انه المدارس ترجع والتعليم يرجع زي الاول لهم. بدنا حياه كريمه، هاي اللي بنتمناه.
To support families like Nisreen, UNICEF has delivered winter clothing kits, blankets, tarps, plastic sheetings, and emergency tents. All humanitarian supplies must enter Gaza at scale without delay.
Here in Gaza, I have seen it all. Children sleeping in the out during a storm. Children living with amputation in a very hard condition and struggling looking for medication that is not available. Gaza's children need you now more than ever. They need support. They need your help.